is a 2-year-old cat. She was in a home where there were, I believe, 27 other cats, which is way too many cats for one person to take care of. It was obvious that she had mouth pain and the vets couldn't even open her mouth to look into her mouth. When they finally were able to look inside her mouth, they realized that every single tooth in her mouth had to be extracted. She also had an ear infection. That's why you'll notice she has a little cauliflower ear. She had an ear infection that wasn't treated. If Cat Connection hadn't stepped in and rescued Garbo, I don't think she'd be alive right now. She either would have starved to death or the dental problems would have led to other diseases. Garbo has completely transformed since getting the medical treatment that she needs. When she came to us, she was terrified, she was in pain, she was suffering. Now she's super affectionate. Anybody that comes in, she wants them to rub her. Actually, if you walk up to the cattery, you'll usually see Garbo waiting by the door, waiting for somebody to come in and love her. She flies around the room. She's a jumper, and then she'll come over and she'll lay down and roll over on her back and want you to rub her. And she's also really playful. She's a great cat. So Garbo is what's called a polydactyl cat, which means she has an extra toe on each of her feet. And that's actually a sign of good luck. She's in perfect health now. There's no issues. She can even eat dry food, even though she has no teeth. Her ear is completely fine. Whoever adopts her doesn't have to worry about it anymore. The Garbo's ideal home is just about anywhere where somebody has time to love on her and to play with her. And just about anywhere where she can get some attention, she's good. Garbo has been living here at the cattery for about 6 months, and she is so ready to go to her forever home and find that person that she can just love on and be with for the rest of her life.
Thanks for watching. For more inspiring videos, articles, and pictures, check out thepetcollective.tv.